Course Builder is a great tool that enables you to quickly combine any modules within Trainer's Library to create bespoke courses and workshops for your clients. To start using Course Builder, log in to Trainer's Library and go to My Content. Click on Add New Course and give your new event a name. On the next screen, you can look for modules you'd like to add to your course, searching by module name, topic, or any keyword. You can add icebreakers, course modules, team building games, review activities, case studies, and even articles to any course you build. When you find something you want to add, click View, and then Add to My Content. Find the course you want to add it to, and click Add. You'll be taken back to your course, and you'll see your module listed. If you want to add more to your course, simply repeat this process. I'll add a few more modules to this course. And remember, although I'm using face-to-face modules in this example, you can do exactly the same thing with remote delivery materials too. Once you have some modules in the course, you can start to plan and build your agenda. You do this by clicking Edit Module. Add a start time for your module here. By default, Course Builder assumes you're building a one-day event. But if you want to create a two-day event, you can assign some modules to day 2 here. You can use this box to add some additional notes for yourself or other trainers in your team. You might, for example, want to include a bit of background information you'll use to introduce the module or a work-based example. Perhaps you want to adapt the way the module is run, or maybe you want to add another mini-activity. Add whatever you need here, and it'll appear in your final agenda. Do you want to schedule a break after the module? If so, tick this box, add a break time, and give your break a name. So I've now added times for all my modules. I've added notes about a little energizer of my own I want to run between the first 2 modules, and some notes about module 3. If I change my mind about anything I've done, I can click Edit Module and make the changes I want. And if I want to remove a module from the course, I simply click Delete. Any courses you created can be shared with the other trainers in your organisation who are licensed to use Trainer's Library's materials. To do this, simply click Edit here, tick the box, and save the changes. Finally, when you're ready to run your course, click View Preview. All of the module titles are links, so you can just follow these to get to the trainer's notes and other materials you need for each module. And to print the agenda itself, just click Printer-Friendly Version and then Print. You can add new modules to any existing courses at any time, either by going back to My Content, selecting the course and using the method I've shown you, or when browsing Trainer's Library by clicking Add to My Content, which, as long as you're logged in, will appear with every module. And that's it. Happy course building.